In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn hyphenation on and off in Adobe Illustrator quickly and correctly. If you've ever worked with paragraphs of text and noticed words automatically breaking with hyphens at the end of lines, that's Illustrator's hyphenation feature at work. Sometimes it makes your text look more balanced and professional, especially in columns. Other times, it can make your design look messy or harder to read, so knowing how to control it is essential. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting, how to enable it, and how to disable it in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Illustrator tips. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator document and select the text you want to adjust. This is very important because hyphenation settings apply only to selected text. If you don't select anything, the changes may not affect the paragraph you're working on. Use the Selection tool to click on your text box, or switch to the Type tool and highlight the specific paragraph. If you're working with multiple text boxes, you'll need to adjust each one individually unless they share the same paragraph style. Once your text is selected, go to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Type and then choose Paragraph. This will open the Paragraph panel if it's not already visible in your workspace. The Paragraph panel contains alignment options, spacing controls, and the hyphenation setting we're looking for. In the Paragraph panel, look toward the bottom area and you'll see a checkbox labeled Hyphenate. If the box is checked, that means hyphenation is currently turned on for the selected text. When hyphenation is enabled, Illustrator automatically splits words at the end of lines according to its internal language and hyphenation rules. This is especially useful for justified text, where even spacing on both left and right edges is important. To turn hyphenation on, simply check the Hyphenate box. As soon as you click it, you'll notice Illustrator may automatically adjust your paragraph. Some words might now break across lines with hyphens, and the overall spacing of your paragraph may look more even. This is helpful in layouts like brochures, magazines, or multi-column designs, where clean alignment matters. If you want more control, you can also access additional hyphenation settings by opening the Paragraph panel menu in the top corner of the panel and choosing Hyphenation. There, you can fine-tune how Illustrator handles word breaks, including minimum word length and how many consecutive lines can be hyphenated. But for most users, simply checking the Hyphenate box is all you need. Now let's look at how to turn hyphenation off. Again, start by selecting the text you want to modify. Go back to the Paragraph panel. If you don't see it, remember it's under Window, then Type, then Paragraph. Once the panel is open and your text is selected, just uncheck the Hyphenate box. As soon as you uncheck it, Illustrator will remove automatic word breaks and reflow your paragraph. Words that were previously split will move to the next line in full. Keep in mind that turning off hyphenation may create uneven spacing, especially if your text is justified. In that case, you might want to switch your alignment to left align instead of justified to maintain better readability. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to quickly turn hyphenation on and off in Adobe Illustrator using the Paragraph panel. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and professionalism of your typography. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Illustrator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.